Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do this Merdeka inspired look. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want more such videos. First, I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base to create a perfect base for my eyeshadow. Next, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows using the Miniso eyebrow pencil and just brush off all the strays. Then I'm gonna use the concealer to clean the edges and create the perfect arch. Using the Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival palette, I'm gonna draw a cut crease and blend the edges using a fluffy brush. Then I'm gonna use a blue eyeshadow and just blend the edges, outer edges, and extend to my hairline. Using a white kajal pencil, I'm gonna define the cut crease. Using a white eyeliner, I'm gonna draw 7 lines near the inner corner of my eye, right above the red eyeshadow, just like the Malaysian National Flag. I'm also gonna quickly draw a half crescent moon and a star with a yellow eyeliner. Next, I'm gonna use a blue shade on the outer half of my eyelid and the yellow eyeshadow in the inner half of my eyelid. Then I'm gonna use some glitter glue and add some glitter to make it a half and half pattern. Yellow and blue are very prominent color in the Malaysian flag, so I'm gonna use these 2 shades to highlight the colors. I'm also gonna use the same eyeshadow, red eyeshadow, on my lower lash line and define my waterline with a brown shade. I'm also using a black eyeshadow to blend and define the eye. I'm just gonna highlight the inner corner of my eye and the brow bone and finish the look using false lashes and mascara. I'm just gonna quickly fast forward doing my other eye. And this is the final look. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.